You can't even see how long this hair is on screen. So I created a full wig using Cinyolahair's Raw Beach Wave bundles. This is 4 bundles and I literally fit every single bundle on this wig. So there are 2 28-inch bundles. There's one 26-inch bundle, one 24-inch, and the closure is a 5x5 HD lace closure. It is 20 inches long, y'all. And as you can see, the wig is nice and full and it is very long. I could have applied these hair extensions in a different manner, but I love wigs because you can just take it on and off. If any of you need any help with making a wig, I do have a sewing machine digital wig course. I will link it down below for you guys. It's currently on sale. I'll leave it on sale for the next 48 hours for y'all. But yeah, since these are bundles and a closure, I could have did a sew-in. If you want to do bundles only, you could do a quick weave. You could even make your own clip-in extensions. There are so many different ways that you can style bundles versus just like a full wig. I wanted to make a custom wig. It's been a minute since I made a wig with just bundles and a closure, and I forgot how freaking full and just gorgeous it is when you make your own custom wigs. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw this baby on. And this fits nice and snug to my head because I know exactly my head measurement. So I went ahead and made the wig to fit exactly around my head. I didn't put any wig combs in this wig because I don't need to do that. I could wear this glueless if I wanted, but I probably will glue this baby down. I did bleach the knots on this wig, and I also went ahead and pre-plucked the hairline. If any of you need any help with that, that is all in my digital course as well. I show you how to do everything step by step in getting a wig together. And I just realized I didn't put any foundation underneath my lace, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and added my foundation underneath the lace. As you can see, it's blending in very nicely, but we need to go ahead and spray down this wig. I'm not gonna use a glue, and I'm gonna be using a new spray today. This is the Bellatique Lace Glue Spray, the Extreme Hold one. I saw this at my local beauty supply store and I said, let's try her out. Let's see if this baby holds or not. And then I'm gonna just spray it right in front of my hairline. It feels like this is gonna hold pretty good, y'all. If any of you have tried this lace wig spray, let me know what y'all think about it. All right, let's go ahead and pull this lace down into the spray. And then I'm gonna use my comb just to push it into the lace. This is just the initial spray down. I just want to see how everything is going to lay down, particularly since this is my first time using the spray. I am going to use this elastic melting band, just tie my hair down. I'm going to keep this on for about 10 minutes and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and let this stay on my head. It's been about 20 minutes actually, because my fiance ended up FaceTiming me. We were talking for a bit and I was like, oh shoot, I gotta finish installing this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some eyebrow scissors and we're gonna go ahead and start removing this extra lace in the front. And I'm going in like a zigzag motion, y'all. Make sure you cut really close to these little ear tab areas because you don't want that showing. And I'm gonna cut a little bit more off right here. So now we're gonna do a second melt. I know we have boycotted this company, but I already had this product and it actually works pretty good for melting my lace. So that's what I'm gonna be using right now. But if y'all have any melting spray that you like from a different brand, let me know. And when this runs out, I'll go ahead and buy some more. And then I'm just pushing down the edge of the lace just to make sure it's nice and blended in. So now it's time for the second melt. Go ahead and put that around the head. And I'm gonna keep this on for another 10 to 15 minutes. So it has been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this elastic band off. And my lace should be melted now, which it definitely is. When I tell you my lace isn't moving, honey, So I'm removing this hair clip that I had in the hair. I did wash and condition this hair last night. So this is the natural texture of the hair. It is very, very pretty, y'all. But I do want to do a middle parting. So I'm going to go ahead and part the hair in the middle right here. And then I'm gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and we're gonna go around that parting. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Fantasia Liquid Mousse Spritz Spray and put it on top of that edge fixer. Next, I'm taking my Infinity Pro Hot Comb and we're gonna use this to lay down the top of the wig and make sure that it's as flat as possible up there. As you can see, the parting looks really nice, but y'all know I'm a little extra, so I am gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. This is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW43, and I'm using the MAC 212 brush with it. It's just a flat top brush, and I'm going to put this in my parting area. But like I said, since the knots are already bleached on this, it already looked pretty good. It really wasn't necessary, but I just like that extra laid look in the middle. I like my parting to look really nice and crispy. So the curls on the bottom still look really nice. I don't really want to disturb those curls. The hair doesn't have any product in it right now. I literally just washed and conditioned the hair last night and let it air dry. But I am going to take a little bit of water just on the top of the hair just to refresh this top part, because the curls did get a bit disturbed just on this top area here. So I just want to fix that. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Lotta Body Mousse and I'm just gonna put that on the top of the hair as well. So the natural curls look really, really pretty right now. I'm gonna do my makeup, wait for the top part of my hair to finish air drying. That should be done by the time I'm done with my makeup. This baby is long. She's 28 inches long. This is 4 bundles plus a closure. I made a full custom wig with these bundles from Cinyolahair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video for you guys. I haven't made a wig in so long and I completely forgot how good a custom wig looks when you put your own bundles and your own closure or frontal on a wig. It is just so full. Get into this. I'm sorry, but no pre-made closure wig or frontal wig is giving this density right here. It's giving this volume right here. Like, I'm gonna look so cute this weekend. It's my boo's birthday, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna be rocking this hair this weekend and looking like a whole baddie. And y'all, this hairline looks so nice. I didn't do any baby hairs or anything like that, but you definitely can do baby hairs if you would like. This is the natural texture of this hair, but I think this hair would look really pretty straightened or even curled. Like, I'm trying to get all of this hair on the screen at one time. It's just a lot of hair. It is so long and so full. And look at the back of this wig, y'all. I need to make more wigs with bundles and closures because this is such a vibe. I completely forgot how good it looked. I know y'all want to know all the details on the bundles and the hair that I used to achieve this look, so y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.